now that we drilled the hole in the hour barrel, we're ready to install the TDC unit itself. So what you'll need is, again, a disassembled Hopup chamber with both screws. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and the TDC insert, as well as the M3 aluminum nut and three or just one of the aluminum nubs that comes with the TDC 2.0. And we'll need the inner barrel already in the assembled state with bucking of your choice, or R-hop installed or full thrust, doesn't matter. For full thrust, remember to also remove all the Hopup arms before starting. So first, what we want to do is take the TDC insert itself, and let's take the M3 nut. Please note that the nut has a curvature on one side and in one direction only. So when installing it on the top side of the TDC insert, make sure that the curvature aligns with the curvature of the TDC insert. This is important because this TDC nut rests against the inside of the outer barrel, and this is what provides perfectly vertical pressure to the unit. So next, we want to install one of the nubs. So let's just go quickly over the three knob options you have. So if you're using a stock bucking or just a regular V-Certain bucking, I suggest you go for the silver one. It's modeled after the heavy Hopup arm on the SSG24, but this time with a circular cutout that matches the shape of the bucking. This provides the softest sides, meaning it's not gonna cut the bucking if you apply too much pressure. However, if you're using R-hop or you're just feeling more adventurous, the black one and the gray one are made specifically for those scenarios. And let's start with the black one. So the black one is made to provide maximum pressure, and this means that the shape perfectly matches the bucking and has the largest surface area. And this means that with the same hop, you'll be able to apply the most pressure on the R-hop patch. And the gray one is quite similar to the black one, but in this case, the beginning and the end of where the knob starts and ends are slightly rounded. And this means that the BB will have a softer entry and exit, and this means that it will have slightly less pressure when the BB is entering and exiting the R-hop patch or bucking. So these three are the options. Later in the video, I used the middle one, but I recommend you starting off with the silver one if you're using the regular bucking, and the gray one or the black one if you're using an R-hop. So we'll take the gray one and we'll install it in the TDC insert. We do that by sliding the nub inside like so. Now matches the curvature of the bottom side that touches the bucking. So now this TDC insert is ready to be installed, and we want to take the right side of the Hopup chamber where the hole is, and we're gonna want to put it inside like so. It should sit very simply inside it, and then take the inner barrel and align the hole with the hole in the Hopup chamber, like so. And now we're ready to put on the other half, like so. Make sure that the TDC sits nicely inside the slots on the sides, and then use the screw and assemble the Hopup chamber together. Once one is installed, it sits quite nicely. Take the second one, and that's it. Just make sure that at this point you're still not screwing the thumb screw in, because in this position the thumb screw won't be able to penetrate the nylon layer without force against the outer barrel. This way you'll only screw up the installation, so just make sure that you don't install it just yet. So that's it. Let's move on to installing the unit itself inside the outer barrel. And yeah,